Good evening, everyone. Let me just check my audio before we start. Just a quick check on the audio as well as the video. Yes, I think we are fine. We are good to go. Yes. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to post-market analysis of the benchmark indices Nifty, Sensex as well as Bank Nifty on 11th of September. So we had the second weekly expiry of Sensex in September, and it is the second time that Sensex is expiring on a Thursday, and we had a very muted expiry just like we had for Nifty. See, this was Nifty expiry on 9th of September. It was proper consolidation, and today also this is not entirely today's range. Today's range starts from here, in fact, here to here. So this is today's range, and this has in fact been inside yesterday's range itself. So today's candle is an inside bar. So we have formed an inside bar, and this is how we have fared today. Nifty has managed to close above today's opening. We had a gap down opening. We have formed a green candle, and it shows that we are not outrightly bearish, just that. And we have again one more thing, we have managed to close above 25,000. So I think we have closed at 25,005. Just let me quickly check. Yes, it is exactly at 25,005, and it is the first time that we are closing above 25,000 since this day on 21st of October. So it's been almost 15-20 days, but almost more than closed almost 12 trading sessions, 10 to 12 trading sessions, we have been below 25,000. But today we have managed to close exactly at 25,000, and this is what Nifty has done. And the similarly is the case with Sensex. Sensex has an even more gap down opening, but again managed to close as open equal to low candle. Yes, Sensex has managed to close as an open equal to low candle, and Bank Nifty has closed. In fact, Bank Nifty did go above yesterday's close, but managed to close inside yesterday's range itself. And Bank Nifty was also slightly consolidating. Let us go check the open interest data and what we have for us for the upcoming week. Okay, so if I go check the open interest data, the 25,000 has the highest amount of put writing, followed by 24,900, 800, and then it is 24,500 obviously. The highest amount of call writing is at 25,000 and 25,500. So the upcoming week we will again be most probably be trading in this range of 25,500 to 24,400. I know this is a very broad range, but that is the kind of scenario we are in. Trump on a fine morning coming and saying we are negotiating with India. On the same night he goes and tells the European Union, ask the European Union officials to impose 100% tariff on India as well as China, impose tariff on India for buying Russian oil. So all these things are happening, so market can react to that. Another crucial data we have is the Infosys share buyback, and I've been checking news regarding Infosys share buyback. I haven't found a conclusive news yet of how much they are buying back, for how much worth. It is expected to be around 13,000 crore to 15,000 crore, and if that is the case, that is positive for the IT sector, then positive for the market as well. But if the share buyback is of a lesser amount, let's say around 5,000 or 6,000 crore, then that is not going to help us. And if somebody knows anything about the Infosys share buyback, please let me know in the comment section. Now, another important thing is that the US jobless data has come, and that is worse than expected. So this again imposes or increases the chance of a Federal Reserve rate cut, and the federal meeting happens on the 17th of September. That is on 17th of September. So the American markets are also expecting a rate cut. Because of that, the CPI inflation has also, the CPI rate has also, inflation rate has also come out to be worse than expected. So again, everything points to a rate cut, because of which US markets are rallying now. Everyone is expecting a rate cut, interest rate cut. So Dow Jones is up 1.2%, S&P 500 0.7%, Nasdaq up 0.6%. Okay, so the VIX has cooled down, in fact, in US. That in Europe is also up, mildly up, 0.1, 0.6, somewhere there. Yes, Canada is 0.5 up. Switzerland, Italy, see, Spain, everything, Europe is generally up. Europe is all up. And what we have for Asia is Japan is up. Okay, Nikkei is again rally. I don't know where Nikkei is going. See, generally speaking, I don't know what is the case with Japan. It's just creating, it just keeps creating all-time highs, back to back to back. Japan is in such a good mood. Yeah, Shanghai up. Oh, China, everything, China, Shanghai, and everything is up 2 to 3%. See, Asian markets are the most up. Europe is up, Asia is up the most, US is up, then Europe is also up. So every market is going up. And what is SGX Nifty doing? SGX Nifty is also up 0.25%, indicating a slight gap up opening tomorrow. And 25,150 is a very crucial range. 100 to 150 is a very crucial range. So do we have enough strength to go above that? See, I very much doubt it for multiple reasons. See, one of them being the uncertainty in the trade deals, everything. Another thing, we have not performed well at 25,000. At 25,000, 2 days consecutively we have just consolidated, and there is no sense of bearishness in the current markets, but no sense of bullishness either. So whatever rally or whatever up move we have could all be sold out by FIIs, is the feel I get. See, I could be wrong. I'm not boasting on any of the knowledge levels I have, but see, I could be wrong, but I just get this feeling that we could be in for a trap at 25,150 or probably 25,200. Only if we sustain 25,150 or 25,100 to 150 range, then sustain for at least, let's say, multiple trading sessions, then we can say, okay, the sense of negativity is kind of negligible now. Until then, I don't think we are in for a bullish rally. All these could be traps, because we have faced those traps. We have faced those in the previous months. So I don't want to comment on it much further than that. Let's also check the FIA data for today. FIA's history. On 11th of September, FIAs have, see, this is the one of the issues. 3,400 crores worth shares the FIAs have sold. FIAs are bullish in futures. They are slight bearish or slight bullish, or let's say nothing in options data. So if we go to the summary, overall FIAs are short calls and long puts. Still they are short calls and long puts, FIAs. The pros are long calls as well as long puts, but they are long calls on an average. The clients are short calls, they are even more short puts. So today they have, the data is there, but the net OI, I am talking about the net OI. So this is how the picture reads. So FIIs, at the end of the day, FIIs are net sellers in the market still. Today they have sold calls, they have bought calls, they have bought puts as well, they have bought more calls, that's it. But again, negligible. The long put position is still significantly high. And what positions do I have? In fact, I haven't opened. Just a second. 367, 377. Okay. So I just took up 2 positions today. I didn't want to risk anything. So there is almost no profits, no loss today. Nothing in the positions. My holdings is up by I think around 0.4 percentage, and both these are expired today. So I'm done with all the trades, and I do not carry over any of the trades for tomorrow. I'll probably be shorting Nifty for the upcoming week. Yes, we are expecting a rate cut, but how long will that rally take us? I don't think we are going to go above 25,500. So probably 25,500 for the next week expiry could be a good bet. Even if I go, let's see, 25,500, if I do a bear call spread for 25,500, 25,500 sell and 25,700 buy, even if I do a bear call spread. See, with the gap up opening we get tomorrow, I could again be making somewhere around 0.5%. So that is fair enough, is what I believe. Again, so the key levels to watch out for tomorrow, as we always say in Nifty, mainly in Nifty, 25,100 to 150 range is the one which I am watching out for. If we get to close above this one, I don't want to see bet on something intraday. If we can get a close on a closing basis about 25, 150 to 200, possibly yes. Okay, chalo, I'm getting some sort of a good feel. Until then, I think we could face small pullbacks, but 24,500 now seems somewhat distant. 24,500 to 400 seems a distant dream now. We are moving away from the bottom. So that's it for the post-market analysis of the benchmark indices on 11th of September. Hope everyone found some value in this video. If you do find some value in this video, please don't forget to like the channel, like the video, subscribe to our channel as well. Till we meet again in tomorrow's live trading session, take care, Jai Hind and goodbye.